Here's another look of the issue that I'm having. Again, it's this ring that is on the left side crank arm. You see how it has that flex there? One, it's sticking out, it's not flush like the right hand side is, and then two, it moves a lot. Here's the right hand side. Again, this one is flush and does not move at all. Check this out. So this is what I'm talking about. So I'm used to just putting the flats straight into here, but these flats have like this insert that's supposed to go on the inside. This is threaded, so this goes inside the crank arm. Inside this guy is threaded for the crank arm. I put so much pressure, this wiggled out of this. Alright, so here is a video from my phone. This is the insert that I'm talking about. The insert itself doesn't look like it's in too bad of condition. It does have a little bit of shaving right there where my thumb is at. So here's the crank arm, and I'll show you the inside there. As you can see, it's a little bit shaved on the outside, kind of where my finger's at, on that side of it. Alright, so here's what I'm going to be using. It's the JV Weld World's Strongest Bond. So I'm just going to put it a little bit in the cup, mix it up. It says to use my finger until the color is the same. And then from my finger, I'm going to, lube it up and kind of and there, lube it up again, and kind of like right there. And when both my girls are ready, I'm gonna let it meet like this. And Papi's gonna come by with my hammer. Wagash, wagash. Alright, here's what we got going so far. I got the insert in there, put a little bit of putty on the inside, bunch of putty on the outside. It looks like a bag of dicks. I don't care. I want this thing to function and work. I can clean the mess later. That's not what I'm worried about. Alright, here's what we're looking at as the final product. Super clean, right? No, in all seriousness, the insert is in there. I tried to put as much putty as I could, like up until the threaded part on the inside of the insert. Like I really want this putty to dry up and turn into cement and hopefully just lock everything in place. I do plan on sanding this down after it dries, but it says it takes an 8-hour period to dry totally. So, I'm gonna wait. But yeah, I figured I'd show you what it looks like before anything. Pretty, isn't it? Okay. All right, so here it is. She's all finished up. That JB putty really worked its magic. So I let it sit for the recommended 8 hours that it said. Then I took it out on a couple rides. I have maybe 15, 16 miles on it with a crank arm like this. And honestly, it works really well. It feels new. Super stiff, but I don't know. It doesn't give me that peace of mind, you know? So I'm still going to contact the people about the warranty, see if I can get another one. And it still looks like garbage, but other than what it looks like, it functions well. So I'm going to keep running it like this, and hopefully nothing goes to shit. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, whatever, put them down below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Peace out.